है ना?
I've been with her for 14 years now, so 2 साल तो आपसे ऊपर हो गए, तो आपसे 2 पर मैं हूँ और उससे पहले 3 years से जब से देख रहा हूँ, so she's been the same.
Guys,
Vampire, a real life vampire.
मुझे secret by the end of this episode जानना है. One secret.
I think I just played a vampire and I took it very seriously. You know, so
I'm drinking blood every night. I want to drink blood every. मतलब apart from मुझे अच्छी glowing त्वचा, wrinkle free, इतनी young, please चाहिए.
तुम तो मत ही बोलो यार. I mean,
तुम तो पहाड़ों से हो यार, तुम्हें नहीं बोलना.
पहाड़ों से है पर इतनी अच्छे से maintain करना. Hats off to you यार. Hats off to you.
Thank you, yaar.
And plus, the way you've bounced back from pregnancy weight and pregnancy changes.
Not yet bounced back, but
नहीं
yeah,
है
okay.
क्योंकि वो मैं तो बता रही हूँ ना क्योंकि इतने समय के बाद हमारा कनेक्शन छूट गया था पर अब जब देखा मैंने आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो सेम कीश्वर है एंड आई एम श्योर फिजिकली विद यूथ एंड विद यू नो ऑल द एज यू आर मेंटेनिंग इट सुपर्बली बट आई एम श्योर मेंटली फिजिकली बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए होंगे.
Of course,
As a mother.
lots of changes. My God,
Appreciate.
मतलब crazy changes. तो I think like he knows also कि पहले मैं बहुत ही you know क्या mentally बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong रहती थी, but now it's like that thing is gone. तो मुझे ऐसा
It's
लगता है-
disappeared. It's disappeared.
Yeah.
She's like another person right now.
Yeah, like I can just
For good, of course.
Yeah, I can just cry like so easily. And कभी-कभी मुझे अपने आप से इतना गुस्सा आता है कि how can this small thing make you cry? But वो हो जाता है, you know.
You
So
become
I
more
think motherhood.
sensitive.
Yeah,
I think so that
yeah.
sensitive side and that emotional side of hers was somewhere else, like in her, but she never really probably found
Yeah,
it.
I
found
had
it.
this, you know,
like
always
like a parda, whatever. But after I think Nirvair,
After Nirvair,
she's
things
found
have
that
really
thing
changed
probably,
a lot. You know, I was just telling my yoga instructor today that मैं इतनी पतली होती थी पहले बट फिर भी मैं वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं कर पाती थी जो मैं एक्चुअली अब कर पा रही हूँ. सो आई एम probably not skinny but I'm very very fit and I always wanted that. My whole motto after Nirvair was this only कि मैं you know उसके साथ खेल सकूँ, उसके साथ भाग सकूँ, सारी चीज़ें कर सकूँ और उसके लिए मुझे फिट रहना पड़ेगा more than being thin या you know skinny या size 0 or
आपको एक
whatever.
मोटिवेशन मिल गया कि हेल्दी जीना और उसके बाद
Because boy mom होना आसान नहीं है. It is crazy. It is crazy. Like you
I
just have to be on
will
your
believe
toes all the time. You have twins. So it's like I double the काम. तो मतलब ये भी उतना ही है, you know, boy mom होना.
and it was not just only her who got pregnant. I was
Yeah, he
equally
was
pregnant with her.
equally
Yeah,
pregnant
yeah.
with
Like
me.
They say-
weight wise, I'm saying like everything like मेरी मम्मा को गोंद के लड्डू भेजी हैं, अब ये नहीं खाएगी, वो मैंने खत्म किए overnight.
Literally, मैं तो खाती नहीं थी. यही खत्म करता था.
Dude, I touched 102, 103 kgs.
Yeah,
I was fat.
Yeah, he had
I was
really
fat.
put on.
Like really, I gained a lot of weight.
your gram never said so you never posted so
Yeah, he doesn't post
So
us
no,
much.
so probably the angles or probably the edits was saving me.
Yeah.
But then I realized there was this one time when I actually, I was on the weighing scale and I realized that 102.8 I remember seeing 102.8. And like, dude, what have I done to myself? But of course, we were enjoying that phase so much that it didn't really, bother us. कि हमारी एक problem है कि weight बढ़ रहा है and all that. But then, Vahi used to come to our place and, and tell both of us that, what are you guys doing? And चल उसका तो ठीक है, माँ बनी है, तू क्या कर रहा है,
No, actually also when he जब तक वो crawl कर रहा था, जब तक वो एकदम छोटा था, and बस बेड पे लेटे लेटे भागने दौड़ने और चलने लगा, then it was like, bro, अब तो नहीं हो पाएगा ये, आप
I'm sure
कुछ
you would
करना
remember that
पड़ेगा,
when we were kids, right? So there was this ad which used to come, जो पापा जो नहीं पेट्रोल खत्म नहीं, जो बच्चे के पीछे भागते भागते उनकी सांस चढ़ जाती थी और some किसी तेल का कोई ad था, some. So I saw, मैंने जब उसके साथ एक दिन भागते हुए एकदम से सांस चढ़ गई, I'm like, dude, ये अभी उम्र नहीं हुई है, ये फील करने की. That day, that was the day when मतलब she was already frankly working out. So मैं ऐसे सो के उठता था 11 बजे वापस आता था, तो ये जिम से वापस आ चुकी होती थी. I'm like, dude.
Because school timings ऐसा हो गया था ना, I put him in the Montessori, तो फिर वो 9 बजे का मैं उसको ड्रॉप करके आती थी and then वो 1-1.5 घंटा मेरे पास रहता था, तो I would just go to the gym and come back and जैसे ही like gym खत्म करके I would go pick him up and then get him home. तो like आधा दिन literally मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा तो खत्म हो गया है, you know.
But इसको देख के I then finally started gym and now
she's
gym.
been strong I've seen और I think she's paved the way for almost everybody
Yeah,
around
yeah,
her
yeah.
और ये जो मतलब क्योंकि मैं discipline उस टाइम भी देखती थी ना जब set पे भी तो she had a very organized way of doing everything.
Yeah,
मतलब
but
from
like her
fitting to
own
her makeup also.
Yeah.
And I used to appreciate that also at that point in time. And I think that's the reason for you to maintain the the youth for so long. And it's like rewarding for you. For you from boyhood to manhood. I want to know the
I think
transfer.